Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to the thrilling world of Infinite Warfare Zombies. To begin your survival journey, first select your character and loadout. Your primary goal is to survive endless waves of the undead while completing map-specific objectives. You'll need to activate power, open doors, and strategically acquire weapons to stand a chance. Remember, teamwork and quick thinking are key to escaping the zombie horde and uncovering the map's secrets. As you play, exploring the map is crucial for survival. Each map has unique areas, including a pack-a-punch machine to significantly upgrade your weapons for a cost of 5,000 points. Keep an eye out for power-ups like insta-kill or max ammo dropped by zombies. Completing map-specific challenges can unlock new pathways or powerful items, aiding your team's progression through the rounds. To enhance your chances, you'll need to gear up effectively. Purchase weapons directly from walls or try your luck with the mystery box for a random firearm. Invest your points in perks from vending machines, which grant abilities like faster reloading or increased health. Don't forget to activate fate and fortune cards for powerful, temporary boosts. Continuously upgrading your weapons and managing your points are vital for surviving the higher rounds. Effective strategy is paramount for long-term survival. Try to kite zombies, leading them in a train to create openings and avoid being cornered. Always aim for headshots to maximize your damage output and earn more points. Clear communication with your teammates about zombie positions and available resources is essential. Remember to save your points for crucial purchases like perks and weapon upgrades, and always revive your fallen allies promptly to keep your team strong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.